Hey guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ASICS Gel Quantum KINETIC. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and as long as it takes time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got to look at the ASICS Gel Quantum KINETIC. We got this in the Birch Dark Taupe colorway in the UK size 7.5, it's a European 42, and it's a US 8.5. So we've got a pair of ASICS. Big into ASICS. You look at probably loads of fashionistas, like fashion blogs, and a lot of influencers. They are wearing tons of ASICS now. It's kind of got that early 2000s feel, the runners, those are in style at the minute. And you got the likes of Gerald, Gerald 14s, and Gerald what's the other one? The Jones one that I really like. I think it's the ASICS 14. I totally forgot. We don't get a lot of ASICS here at the channel, but today we were lucky enough to bless you guys with some content for the Quantum KINETICs, and here they are. A very, very sleek sneaker. There you guys, very nice colorway. It's very neutral tones right there. And we'll start with the outsole. So looking at all the details, you've got a rubber outsole, great traction. So this sneaker, ASICS is known as a running sneaker brand, but for this one, it does say it's for your commute or if you're standing for many hours of the day. The gel, so you can see what the midsole uses. It uses that new scutoid gel technology. That's there for the comfort, so that's what the midsole. So this midsole is using that scutoid gel technology from ASICS, and they use it from like their own institute. So it's developed by good people at ASICS. You look at the heel counter, so that has part of the FF Blast cushioning, so that is there for the responsiveness and the shock absorption of your feet. It's there for essentially if you're going to be standing or commuting, it's there for that comfort. Right there to take it on in each and every stride. It's got really good shock absorption apparently. We'll find out when I do a wear test. The upper, so this upper has all synthetic materials, nothing leather about it. So if you look at the toe box, you've got tons of mesh there for your breathability. Loads of that paneling, it's all synthetic materials. Here at the lateral side, you've got the ASICS logo, essentially, it's that symbol right there. And on the medial side, it's the same. Great cushioning around this ankle support. Tongue as well is made out of that cushioning and out of the mesh. Got normal lacing system. ASICS logo on the tongue there, it's printed on. At the heel, you've got the gel, so this is part of the gel series. Obviously this upper is inspired by a lot of ASICS' gel series that you've seen in the past before. Right there, like the Gerald 14. The gel's written there, you've got pull tab. And the insole, you've got the ASICS Gel Quantum KINETIC logo. And this is an Ortholite insole also, so you've got that comfort and foam in there for you. So unlike your traditional ASICS gel trainers, which are predominantly used for running, this is for normal commutes, for people who are on their feet all day. So if you're working in retail, this is probably a sneaker I recommend for you guys. If you're on your feet, I mean, you're going to be on your feet a lot. And to be fair, this looks like really sleek anyway, regardless. You can wear this out, like, if you're confident or that's part of your style, this is something I recommend. I love the tones, obviously it's got that neutral feel also right there for you. And ASICS is a great brand. Obviously there's a lot of hype behind it at the minute, because as I mentioned before, like, early 2000s aesthetic is the trend nowadays, and this is something great to add to your collection if you're looking for that look. So roll that footage of me trying these Gerald Quantum Kinetics on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size ASICS fit. I'm a 7.5 and these fit perfectly. And as soon as I put these on, I was in love. These sneakers are so comfortable. Honestly, guys, I understand why ASICS have taken off or people have rediscovered their love for ASICS. Obviously, I've done Gerald reviews in the past before, so do check that out. But these Quantum Kinetics, oh my God, these are gorgeous. Absolutely, it's like walking on the clouds. Very lightweight, very comfortable. And, you know, I don't feel like it's gonna be tight around my feet. It's just the right amount of structure, if that makes sense. And it's very comfortable. This is what I want in a sneaker. You know what, put me down of this is probably the sneaker I will wear for the rest of my life. This is a must-have. Honestly, guys, you have to take my word for it. This is why we do these reviews, to discover these sneakers. And I'm a big fan of the Gerald Kinetic it's the Quantum Kinetic. So this is a 10 out of 10 for me, guys. No word of lie, 10 out of 10 sneaker. Seriously, guys, sneaker, this is the best sneaker I've reviewed ever, in my opinion. Hold me down, put me down. I'll put it on my Instagram, all that jazz. Whilst I'm saying this, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram and on TikTok at Oneupreviewz. Until next time, guys, I don't think we need to do any more reviews ever, because this is the best sneaker I've ever worn. No cap. Peace.